Welcome back to our special course and video tutorials for educators. This is a video series and we are teaching educators on how to teach online with free Google tools. You can become an online teacher, and if there's any time it has become so imperative for today's teachers, especially those of us in Africa, to explore online teaching, it is now. You know, there are a lot of benefits embedded in this. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more visibility. A lot of things you do in your local schools. You might be the best of teachers, but nobody knows it. But when you teach online, you have a wider reach. You become a global celebrity. People get to know you more. So your skills, your talent, will be recognized and be rewarded. You understand? So it's very important. You have a wider classroom. A lot of people, thousands, millions can join your class, and there's no limit to the number of people that can be. So that's why this online class is very good. So if you are an educator anywhere in Africa, or even outside Africa, anywhere in the world, and you want to be part of this, you can contact us and register for the we'll have a class that is set-paced. Will train you one-on-one online. We also have a course pack. That is, you can buy the whole of this course pack, especially schools that want to buy pack so that they can use it to train their teachers. You can buy, we'll sell to you. One time you pay and you have the entire package. But if you just you don't have money to have a class with us, you don't want to buy and pack, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube. If you're watching this from YouTube, or follow us on this page, you're going to see more of these videos. It's a free tutorial. Go through them and get to know. So the first thing first, this series, like I said, is in a batch. You have a lot of video tutorials on this. So what I'm going to look at now is part 1, or how to be an online teacher using free Google tools. Only free tools. You're not going to spend anything. I'm an expert in this and I'm going to show you. So in today's tutorial, we are looking at the first thing first. The first thing you do is to launch your first class. You launch your class. Yes, your class. That's why if you want to start a school, the first thing, let the building be ready before you talk about hiring teachers and all that. So, and even admitting students. So launch your class. Let your class be ready before that thing. So in this video, shortly, I'm going to show you. In the course of this series, we're going to use a lot of Google tools, some you don't even know. So, but the first Google tool we're going to use is Google Classroom. And that's one we're going to use to launch our first online class. Now, let's go and see how it works. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your Play Store or whatever, download Google Classroom app. You can use the web link to do, but it's better if you're having a phone, use the app. It's very good. So if you already have the app, you're going to find yourself here. You sign up, you create an account with your Gmail account, because Google Classroom, all these Google tools are Google products. So Google wanted to use their Google Mail, which is Gmail, to run the account. So you can see I have my Gmail here up here. I have a lot of classes here. You may wonder why. Yes, I have a lot of classes on everything almost. So that's why you see a lot of this. If you are doing this for the first time, you're not going to see all this. Everything is going to be empty. But be sure you're going to see this plus down here. There's a plus down here. You're going to see it. So I click on that plus. When you click on that plus, you're going to see join class or create class. Join class is for students joining a class. Create class because you're the teacher, you want to create a class. So you're going to click on create class. Agree on terms and conditions and continue. Now, all you need to do is what? Put your class name here. And this is a class I'm going to use to train in case you want to join my online class. So I'm going to say, this is a complete new batch. So I'm going to say teach online with free Google tools. This is the name of my class. Remember that I just put this. If you are teaching an academic subject, this could be a class, a math class, a math special class. It could be English mastery class. It can be anything. It can even be class in your school, JS1 class. Do you understand? So whatever, this first name is compulsory. Other ones are optional, session, room, or subject. So I just want to put this and move on. I click on create. Now, just watch, because this is the first thing you're going to do. It's a very short video. Do this first. My class is ready. Now, my class is ready. I have You need to look at this down. You have stream, classwork, people. In the course of this series, I'm going to show you how to use all of these things. Remember, we're not only using Google Classroom. It's all about Google Tools. Someone might be talking on Google Classroom. We have gone beyond that. You are using the entire Google Tools, free Google Tools, to be an online teacher, and very effective. You don't pay anything, but you make crazy money. That's how it is. So this is exactly the class is created. Now you're going to look forward to the next part of this video series. Other things come up. So follow us on our page on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on our channel here, Chimade Educator Video Channel. And then if you want to buy the pack, let us know so they can go and watch everything at the same time and get to know more. So I'm going to stop at this point. Make sure you share this video so that others can benefit. If it makes sense to you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.